Welcome to the ultimate guide for navigating Disney World during the summer. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Disney fan, we've got you covered with tips to beat the heat and manage the crowds. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about beating the heat. Summer in Florida can be scorching, but with these strategies, you'll stay cool and comfortable. Plan your day to include indoor attractions during the hottest parts of the day. Shows like the Hall of Presidents, or rides like Pirates of the Caribbean, are perfect for a cool break. Spend your afternoon exploring the pavilions in Epcot's World Showcase, where you can enjoy air-conditioned shops and cultural exhibits. Bring portable misting fans to keep cool while walking around. These little gadgets can make a big difference when you're waiting in line or walking between attractions. Additionally, take advantage of the splash zones and water play areas like Casey Jr. Splash and Soak Station in Magic Kingdom to let the kids cool off while having fun. Hydration is key. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Disney allows you to bring your own refillable water bottles, and there are water fountains and bottle refill stations throughout the parks. Find shaded spots to take breaks. Places like Tom Sawyer Island in Magic Kingdom and the trails around the Tree of Life in Animal Kingdom offer great shady retreats. Next, let's tackle crowd management. Summer crowds can be intense, but with a little planning, you can navigate through the parks with ease. Start your day early. Arrive at the parks before they open to get a head start on the crowds. The first couple of hours after rope drop are usually the least crowded, allowing you to experience popular attractions with shorter wait times. Use this time to hit the rides that typically have the longest lines later in the day, such as Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in Magic Kingdom or Flight of Passage in Animal Kingdom. Utilize the Disney app to check real-time wait times and plan your itinerary accordingly. The app also provides useful information about showtimes, dining reservations, and even restroom locations. By staying informed, you can adjust your plans on the fly to avoid the busiest areas. Consider taking a break during peak hours, typically between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m., when the parks are the most crowded and the temperatures are the highest. This is a great time to return to your hotel for a nap or a swim, or to enjoy a leisurely lunch at a table service restaurant. If you prefer to stay in the park, seek out less crowded attractions and shows during this time. Stay late if you can. As the evening approaches, the crowds often thin out, especially after the daytime parade and fireworks show. Take advantage of extended park hours to enjoy attractions with shorter wait times and a cooler atmosphere. Plus, Disney World at night is truly magical, with beautifully lit attractions and special nighttime entertainment. Packing the right essentials can make or break your day at Disney. Here's what you should bring for a summer visit. Start with the basics: cooling towels, refillable water bottles, and plenty of sunscreen. Cooling towels are a lifesaver. Simply wet them and place them around your neck for instant relief from the heat. You can find them at most sporting goods stores or order them online. Refillable water bottles help you stay hydrated without spending money on bottled water, and many Disney restaurants will give you a cup of ice water for free. Comfortable shoes are a must. You'll be walking several miles each day, so make sure your footwear is well broken in and provides good support. Flip-flops and sandals may seem appealing in the heat, but consider lightweight sneakers for better comfort and protection. Also, pack a hat and sunglasses to shield yourself from the sun. Carry a small backpack with your essentials, including a portable phone charger. You'll be using your phone a lot to check wait times, manage FastPasses, and take photos, so having a backup power source is crucial. Include a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need. And don't forget hand sanitizer and wipes to keep your hands clean, especially after using shared surfaces and handrails. Sunscreen is important, but reapplication is key. Apply a generous amount before you leave your hotel and reapply every 2 hours, or more often if you're sweating or getting wet on rides. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, and consider a sunscreen stick for easy application on your face and neck. And taking breaks and enjoying good food is essential for a great Disney experience. Let's explore the best spots to relax and refuel. Disney World offers a wide variety of dining options, from quick-service eateries to fine dining restaurants. For a memorable meal, consider booking a character dining experience. Restaurants like Chef Mickey's at the Contemporary Resort or Cinderella's Royal Table in Magic Kingdom offer the chance to meet your favorite Disney characters while enjoying a delicious meal. Quick-service restaurants are a great option for a fast and convenient meal. Use the mobile ordering feature on the Disney app to order your food in advance and skip the line. Popular quick-service spots include Cosmic Rays, Starlight Cafe in Magic Kingdom, and Satuli Canteen in Animal Kingdom. Don't forget to try some of Disney's iconic snacks like churros, popcorn, and Mickey-shaped pretzels. Look for quiet, air-conditioned restaurants for a midday break. Places like the Liberty Tree Tavern in Magic Kingdom or the Coral Reef Restaurant in Epcot offer a relaxing atmosphere and a chance to cool down. For a quick cool down, head to one of the many ice cream parlors or snack stands for a refreshing treat. The Plaza Ice Cream Parlor on Main Street, USA, is a favorite for classic ice cream sundaes. If you have kids, take advantage of the water play areas scattered throughout the parks. These areas provide a fun way for children to cool off and burn off some energy. Look for Casey Jr., Splash and Soak Station in Magic Kingdom or the splash pads in Epcot's Future World. For a more relaxed break, find a shaded bench or a quiet corner to sit and recharge. Don't miss out on the special events and shows that make Disney World magical, especially in the summer. Summer at Disney World means an array of special events and entertainment. Be sure to check the schedule for parades, stage shows, and nighttime spectaculars. The Festival of Fantasy Parade in Magic Kingdom is a must-see, featuring colorful floats and beloved characters. For evening entertainment, the Happily Ever After fireworks show at Cinderella Castle is a magical way to end your day. Summer also brings unique seasonal events. Epcot hosts various festivals throughout the year, including the International Flower and Garden Festival, which extends into the summer months. This festival features beautiful topiaries, garden exhibits, and outdoor kitchens offering seasonal food and drinks. It's a perfect opportunity to enjoy the park's beauty and sample delicious treats. To make the most of these events, plan ahead and book tickets for any special experiences. Many events have limited seating or require advance reservations, so be sure to check the Disney website or app for availability. Arrive early for popular shows and parades to secure a good viewing spot. Consider using a park map or the My Disney Experience app to identify the best locations and times for these events. For an extra special experience, consider booking a VIP tour. These guided tours provide access to prime viewing areas for parades and nighttime shows, along with expedited entry to popular attractions. While it comes at an additional cost, a VIP tour can enhance your visit and make it even more memorable. Maximize your time with FastPass Plus and Genie Plus. Here's how to make the most of these tools. FastPass Plus allows you to reserve access to popular attractions, entertainment, and character meet and greets in advance. As soon as your booking window opens, typically 60 days before your visit if you're staying at a Disney Resort hotel, make your selections for must-do attractions. Prioritize high-demand rides like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in Magic Kingdom or Frozen Ever After in Epcot. Use your initial 3 FastPass Plus selections early in the day. Once you've used those, you can book additional FastPasses one at a time through the Disney app. Keep an eye on wait times and availability, and be flexible with your plans to take advantage of last-minute openings. The app also provides real-time updates and suggestions to help you navigate the park efficiently. With Genie Plus, you get access to personalized itineraries and real-time updates tailored to your interests and preferences. This service helps you plan your day, optimize your schedule, and discover new experiences based on current wait times and crowd levels. It's a great way to make the most of your visit and ensure you don't miss out on any must-see attractions. Genie Plus also provides access to the Lightning Lane entrances for select attractions, similar to FastPass Plus. Make your selections early in the day and keep checking for additional availability. Remember, some of the most popular rides like Rise of the Resistance in Hollywood Studios require an individual Lightning Lane purchase, so plan your budget accordingly. By using FastPass Plus and Genie Plus effectively, you can significantly reduce your wait times and maximize your fun. Plan ahead, stay flexible, and let these tools help you navigate the parks with ease. Choosing the right accommodation can enhance your Disney experience. Let's look at the best options for a summer stay. Consider staying at a Disney resort for added perks like early park access and convenient transportation. Disney resorts offer a range of accommodations to suit different budgets and preferences. From value resorts like Disney's Pop Century Resort to deluxe options like Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, there's something for everyone. Resorts with great pools are a perfect way to cool down after a day in the parks. The Beach Club Resort boasts Stormalong Bay, a sprawling water park with a lazy river, sandy bottom pool, and water slides. The Polynesian Village Resort features a lava pool with a towering volcano and a quiet oasis pool. These pools provide a fun and relaxing way to beat the summer heat. Disney resorts also offer excellent dining options and amenities, from character breakfasts at Ohana in the Polynesian Village Resort to fine dining at California Grill in the Contemporary Resort. There's a variety of culinary experiences to enjoy. Resorts often host special activities like movie nights, campfire sing-alongs, and themed parties, providing additional entertainment for the whole family. Staying at a Disney resort also means easy access to the parks through Disney's transportation system. Buses, monorails, boats, and the Disney Skyliner provide convenient and complimentary travel between the parks and your hotel. This saves time and eliminates the hassle of driving and parking, allowing you to focus on enjoying your vacation. Book your resort stay as early as possible to secure the best rates and availability. Special offers and discounts are often available, so keep an eye on the Disney website for deals. Consider the location and amenities that best suit your family's needs to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Getting around Disney World efficiently is key to a smooth trip. Here are some transportation tips. Disney's transportation system is extensive and easy to use. The monorail is an iconic and convenient way to travel between Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and select resorts. For a scenic and relaxing ride, hop on a boat from resorts like the Grand Floridian or Wilderness Lodge to Magic Kingdom. The Disney Skyliner is a newer addition that offers a unique aerial view of the parks and resorts. It connects Epcot and Hollywood Studios with several resorts, including Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. The Skyliner is not only a fun way to travel but also provides a quick and efficient mode of transportation. Buses are available to and from all Disney resorts and parks. They run frequently, but be sure to check the schedules, especially during peak times, to minimize wait times. The My Disney Experience app provides real-time bus arrival information, making it easier to plan your travel. For more flexibility, consider using ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, especially if you're traveling between parks or heading to Disney Springs for some shopping and dining. These services can be quicker than waiting for a bus, especially during busy periods. If you're staying at a resort close to a park, walking might be the fastest and most enjoyable option. Resorts like the Contemporary Resort are within walking distance of Magic Kingdom. If you're traveling with young children or guests with mobility issues, Disney offers stroller rentals and accessibility services to make your visit more comfortable. Strollers can be rented at the entrance of each park, and the rental locations also provide replacement strollers if needed throughout the day. Disney's accessibility services include wheelchair rentals, accessible transportation options, and assistance from cast members to ensure everyone has a magical experience. Explore Disney's hidden gems and interactive attractions for unique experiences and shorter lines. Beyond the main attractions, Disney World is filled with interactive experiences and hidden gems that are often overlooked. These spots provide unique and memorable experiences without the long waits. For example, Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom is an interactive game where you use spell cards to defeat Disney villains throughout the park. It's a great way to engage with the park in a new and exciting way. In Epcot, the World Showcase offers numerous opportunities for interactive fun. Each pavilion features KidCot fun stops, where children can create crafts and collect stamps from around the world. This is a fantastic way to keep kids entertained while exploring the cultural exhibits and shops in each country. At Animal Kingdom, the Wilderness Explorers program is a hit with both kids and adults. Inspired by the movie Up, this self-guided adventure allows you to earn badges by completing activities and learning about the park's animals and conservation efforts. It's an engaging way to explore Animal Kingdom while also learning something new. Don't forget to look for hidden Mickeys scattered throughout the parks. These subtle nods to Mickey Mouse can be found in decorations, architecture, and even ride designs. It's a fun scavenger hunt that adds an extra layer of magic to your visit. Additionally, seek out quiet spots in lesser-known areas to take a break. Places like Tom Sawyer Island in Magic Kingdom or the trails around the Tree of Life in Animal Kingdom offer peaceful retreats away from the crowds. Disney World truly comes alive at night. Let's explore the best nighttime spectaculars. One of the highlights of any Disney trip is the nighttime spectaculars. The Happily Ever After fireworks show at Magic Kingdom is a breathtaking display of pyrotechnics, projections, and music, all centered around Cinderella Castle. Arrive early to secure a good viewing spot on Main Street, USA, or consider booking a dessert party for an exclusive viewing area and delicious treats. Epcot's nighttime show, Epcot Forever, features stunning fireworks, lasers, and choreographed kites set to classic Epcot music. For a unique experience, watch from one of the World Showcase pavilions for a cultural twist. At Animal Kingdom, Rivers of Light We Are One combines water, light, and music in a mesmerizing show that celebrates the natural world. The seating along the river provides a serene and beautiful setting for this evening's spectacle. Hollywood Studios offers Phantasmic, a dramatic water and light show featuring Mickey Mouse battling Disney villains in a dreamlike adventure. The amphitheater seating provides a great view, but be sure to arrive early or consider booking a Phantasmic dining package for reserved seating. The nighttime atmosphere at Disney World is truly magical, with beautifully lit attractions and a cooler, more comfortable temperature. Don't forget to enjoy the attractions at night. Many rides take on a new dimension after dark, with special lighting and effects. The nighttime parades, like the electrical water pageant on Seven Seas Lagoon, offer a whimsical and enchanting experience. Explore the parks after the sun sets for a different perspective, and to enjoy the cooler, quieter evenings. For the best viewing spots, consider less crowded areas away from the main hub. The bridge near Be Our Guest restaurant in Magic Kingdom offers a unique angle for fireworks, while the waterfront area in Epcot's World Showcase provides picturesque views of the nighttime show. With a little planning and the right spot, you can end your day at Disney World with a magical nighttime experience. With these tips, you'll be ready to navigate Disney World during the summer like a pro. Stay cool, manage the crowds, and make the most of your magical adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. See you real soon.